Wasn't that a nice shopping trip? Yeah, just got in, nice cup of tea. Now let's show you some of the things I'm going to, well, the things that I bought. And also next week there is going to be a great video of how I've upcycled some of these things. So keep your eyes peeled for that. But let's get straight on in to said haul. Now I said I was going to start off with trying to look for like belts and things like that. There wasn't many belts actually. But I did get a brooch as well, which I've left downstairs. I'll have to go and get it. It's in my bag. But I wanted to also get some like unusual-ish pieces that I haven't already got in my wardrobe. And this I haven't really got anything like in my wardrobe. And I actually think it is part of an old sari set. So this is the top set here. It's kind of kaftani, but it kind of splits off about, I'd say probably about there on my leg, so it's definitely not a dress, but I just love the print, and I think in the summer this is going to look fabulous with, I mean, you could even just put some cycling shorts on underneath it and go flowy and free with this, but I just love the purple. I don't know what it is about purple so far. I have got some things in my wardrobe, purple things, and I never used to like purple, but I love this as well. And when I go on to Jewellery Maker as well, this is going to look lovely from the top, because obviously all you see is from here up, hence why I wear lots of hats, etc., because one likes to express oneself. And I'm not quite sure what material it's made of. There's no other labels in it, but it's a really nice, I just love the detail of the buttons, and then this fabulous pattern just down the front there, and then it's black on the back. So I think that is going to look really, really cool in the summertime, or literally just as if you've just had a nice bath and you just want to put something floaty and flouncy on and flounce around the house. That one was £3.99, by the way, from Oxfam. The next item I got was this. I got this from Kemp, and it is from M&S collection, and they reduced it down to £1, and it is literally just a beautiful kind of like velour, velvet, jewel toned mock neck, and you know, just a good layering basic or something. I mean, look at the sheen. It just, and that was £1, so that is going to layer up really, really nicely with some of my bits. It's just, oh, it feels beautiful. So that was £1. Okay, the next thing I got, this was from Age UK even, and this was also £1, and it is a vintage top from C&A, and it is the Canada range, and I just love this. It's kind of 80s in its pattern, in like the detail on the pocket, but it's also quite 1950s as well, which I really, really liked. It's kind of the 80s version of retro, if you get what I mean, which quite a lot of these things are, but I just love the pattern, and I think it's a really, really cool kind of chevron type pattern, and it's some really nice colours in there, and you've got that lovely yellow, oh look, yellow going all the way through, and I just think that is a really cool kind of top. You could wear it underneath your dungarees or with a pair of shorts, jeans, skirt, anything. Love it. I also got this from Age UK, and this was also £1. I love this kind of detail on here, and it's just a beautiful, again, jewel toned green, and I think it's going to look lovely with my hair, and I've got a little project, not with this, but for this to go with, and you'll see what I mean later on in the haul. But I think that is just absolutely gorgeous. I just love this detail on here. It is stunning, and that was £1, and it is originally from Collection at Debenhams. So, and I love the piping as well around the sleeves and the collar. Absolutely gorgeous. This was also from Age UK, and this was £1. It's like a dress. It's got these fantastic kind of like very Grecian style sleeves, and on the back it has got a an open back, but I have a plan for this as well. I mean, it's okay, I can wear an open back, but I don't like the fact that obviously I am a little bit more blessed up top than most people. And I have to wear a bra. There's no, you know. Plus I am like now nearly getting to my mid-40s and it's getting harder and harder to keep them where they belong. Do you know what I mean? The struggle is real. But I think I might just get like a chiffon scarf or something and just attach that to the back there. Just as something a little bit more kind of different to pop in the back there. So that's something that I am going to do. But this was £1 and again, it was the colour, the dual colours. Sometimes I do find that I go to a lot of blacks, etc. in the winter time. And I'm trying to get out of that by wearing colour in the winter. And this has also got pockets. So it's a really nice dress. And for £1, it's from a brand called Love 21. I don't even know if that's like a derivative of Forever 21. I don't know. But yeah, I just love that sort of Grecian look to it. It could be Grecian, it could be 80s, it could be 1920s. That's why I love sort of things that have a whole range of different kind of styles to them, because you can wear them in any way what you want. You know what I mean. I've also got a few more layering up pieces. Again, these are from Age UK and they were £1. This one's from New Look. It's quite sheer, so I'd probably have to wear a vest top underneath it. And then just on the same vein as well, this one is from Dorothy Perkins, and quite old Dorothy Perkins because it's quite a vintagey style tag. And this one's just a sleeveless crew neck as well. So these are good for layering up underneath jackets, etc. So just a nice little evening if you're going to the pub or something like that for your Christmas drinks, and you don't want to get too dressed up but you still want a little bit of sparkle. Or you could go for sparkle. This was gorgeous. This again was from Age UK and this was £1. I just love the detailing on there. There's not really much else to say about it. The fact that it is just beaded and it is beautiful. It has never been worn before. It was from New Look, by the look of it. Yes, influenced New Look. It was £26.99 down to £8. Then they had it on their specials rail, but then they reduced it down to £1. So I got this for £1, brand new, still with tags. And I will literally just pop a little vest top underneath this and wear this with a pair of leather style leggings, skinny jeans and a nice heel and some fabulous jewellery. From the Oxfam shop I got this little blouse. It's again brand new with tags. I actually didn't know that when I tried it on, and you'll have seen me trying this on. This was £2.99. And I love the ruffle detail on either side, and it is going to go with a pair of trousers that I bought that I'm going to take up as well. So this is going to create a lovely look, but I just love the flouncy frills on the shoulder, and it goes all the way down to the other side as well. And that was £2.99. And here are the trousers. These are a lovely velvet brown trouser. And they're from Ralph Lauren. Yes, I'm going to cut up some Ralph Lauren trousers. They were £4.49. And what I want to do is turn them into a kind of like a page boy style +4 type trouser. So I'm literally just going to crop them like so. And then wear them with some Pringle style socks, etc. But I've been after a pair of velvet brown trousers for Lord knows how long, and I thought, oh, they're not going to fit because they're only a size 14. I'm a 14/16, and sometimes, you know, but these fit like a dream. They fit like a dream, and they're so comfortable, and I cannot wait. So that is one of the things that I am going to do. So I've actually got a whole kind of outfit ready to upcycle and do for next week. So this is going to be in the video next week. Shoes that are going to go with the whole ensemble. I bought these for £3.99 from the Happy Staffies. They're from New look originally. I think they've literally been worn a couple of times, if that. But I tried these on again, and these are so comfortable, and I love the vintage style look to them. They're like a brogue, and this is going to be part of the outfit. I also got myself a military style shirt. I picked one of these up when I went to the pre-loved kilo, and I was like, oh, I don't know. And I ended up putting it back, and I regretted it ever since. I went into one of the charity shops. It's the SOS for Animals charity shop, and this was £1. So I picked it up. Not much else I can say about that. I might have some plans for this. I might wear it as is for a couple of times and then see what we can do with it. But I love the safari style, the utility style look with this as well. That was £1. Shop again. This was also £1, and this is going to go with another outfit that I'm going to recreate and do for next week's video. And this is a beautiful kind of cropped shrug style jacket, and it has got this lovely kind of detailing on the lace there. You've got your gold, etc. This is a vintage jacket, roots. Oh, you can tell because of the obviously the tag. So this would have probably been like a little bolero jacket for a dress with the similar sort of pattern on it, but it was just the jacket I wanted, and it was just the jacket I got, so that was £1. Okay, so these are just literally wide leg black trousers. I got these from the SOS Animals charity shop as well. These were £1, and I'm going to cut these up as well and make little shorts with these. So that is going to be another outfit coming up very soon in another video. So these are going to get cut up and made into shorts, and then I'm going to see what I can do with the rest of the fabric. I want to kind of try and utilize all of the fabric that I have used, and also you may see, if what I will do is I will pop my Instagram just up here, and if you would like to follow me on Instagram, that would be great, because every day usually I pop up a outfit of the day, etc., and all of these things, who I've been influenced by, who has inspired me, who I love, you know, fashion gurus out there, if that's what you want to call them, fashion icons, people that inspire me and help me create some of the looks that I create, are on my Instagram as well. So if you'd like to go over there and follow me as well as subscribing to me, that would be amazing. Accessory wise, I got this velvet, I think it's actually a makeup bag from Marks and Spencer, but I just think it's a really cute clutch. And what I might do is actually sew on some chain just there, and then have it as a crossover as well. But I just love this detail here at the front, and the velvet is just incredible. It's got that vintage look to it, so just a nice little clutch for going out with. I just think that is absolutely beautiful. And then I've also got a scarf to do some headscarf wrapping with, and it is literally just a lovely paisley colour with all of the greens and the blues, etc. This is going to be going with one of the outfits that I am hopefully going to recreate for you. And that, oh, apart from one thing, I shall just go and get it. Okay, so I also got this necklace for 50p. Just a fun necklace. And then I got this, now then, is it in here? Yes. I got this beautiful brooch. Isn't that stunning? It's got like pearls and diamantes on. I think that is stunning. And I've bought that to pop on to...
right now for you. Onto one of these turbans that I bought on from eBay. I got this from, and it's, come on, not doing this very well, are you, Katie Reed? Right, pop that into there. There we go. Alright, there we are. And pop. This is absolutely wonderful earring for you lot, isn't it? There we go. And pop that onto there.
And that is how I wanted it, just to sit on the front there. It's absolutely perfect. And this is just like just pop that on. It's a lovely little turban-esque, like 1920s style hat. And that is the exact thing I wanted. So that was £3.50. So I'm very pleased with that. So this whole thing was like £5, I think. But yeah, that is my my come thrift with me and my thrift haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Please keep your eyes out for next week's video because I'm really excited about it. I've actually got 3 looks that I am going to create. So if you follow me on Instagram already, you'll have seen one of them. But that is for another day, for next week. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, then please do subscribe. It would mean the world to me. If you are subscribed already, click that notification bell and please give this video a thumbs up. Please, if you do have any comments about, I don't know, about any of the vintage finds or any charity shop finds that you have made, or even if you have a channel, I'd love to come over and watch what you do over there. So please do that. It would be great. Have a conversation in the comments. It would be amazing. Remember, look after yourselves, look after everybody else. The world is your catwalk. And remember, keep creating. Bye.